XRPI stock analysis next week. Super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm going to be covering all this in this brief short 1-minute video. And guess what? As the only person in this space with 43,000 video track record and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And volatility shares trust. It's been one heck of a freaking setup here. Because for me, it's quite bullish, you know. I know it's correcting down and it's not that volatile. But in the books, this is a decent demand zone. Here's the top. And the only one thing that I care about is the price pulling down and giving me the top type 2 confirmation even. Which is when I'll be comfortable to pull some triggers up and buy, hopefully. Right, but this is like, unless rules are met and this red part happens, I'm not buying. How exactly? Well, that's why I will be keeping you updated. And if you want to stay tuned and get daily free market picks and emails so you make more money, click the first link in the description. It's free.